by. Enrollment number is 18 series 117 and subject is advanced microcontroller and topic is ARM architecture. Our agenda to presentation is introduction to ARM Limited, programmers model, system design and development tools. Here is some info about ARM Limited. It is founded in November 1990, spun out of Acorn Computers. એટલે Acorn Computers દ્વારા શોધવામાં આવ્યું હતું. ARM નો મતલબ થાય છે Advanced Risk Machine. Designs the ARM range of risk processor cores. ARM છે એ risk processor cores નું ડિઝાઇન કરે છે. Licenses ARM core designs to semiconductor partners who fabricate and sell to their customers. એટલે કે સેમિકન્ડક્ટર ના પાર્ટનર સેમિકન્ડક્ટર ને સેલ કરે છે અને ફેબ્રિકેટ પણ કરે છે. ARM does not fabricate silicon itself. ARM છે પોતે સિલિકોન પોતે નથી બનાવતા. Also develop technologies to assist with the design of ARM architecture. એટલે કે ARM બીજી કઈ વસ્તુ બનાવે છે એ બધી બતાવેલી છે. Software tools, boards, debug hardware, application software, bus architectures, peripheral and its extra. Here is ARM partnership model. Some of its ATAP partners. ATAP means Associations of Assistive Technology Act programs. Here is some companies of its. And RTOS partners. RTOS means real-time operating systems partners and tools partners and software partners of ARM. Here is ARM powered products. Some of products of ARM powered. Here is intellectual property of ARM. ARM provides hards and soft views to licenses, which is RTL and synthesis flows and GDS layout. RTL means register transfer level and GDS2 means graphic design system 2. Licenses have the rights to use hard or soft views of the IP, which is soft views include gate level netlists and hard view are DSMs. DSMs means design simulation model. OEMs must use hard views. OEM most of hard views વપરાય. OEM એટલે કે original equipment manufacturer to which is protect to ARM IP. Our next topic is programmers model. Here is data sizes and instruction set of ARM. The ARM is 32-bit architecture and when used in relations to the ARM માં કઈ રિલેશન વપરાય છે. બાઇટ, હાફ વર્ડ, વર્ડ. બાઇટ નો મતલબ થાય છે કે 8 બીટ, હાફ વર્ડ નો મતલબ 16 બીટ અથવા તો 2 બાઇટ્સ, વર્ડ નો મતલબ થાય છે કે 32 બીટ્સ અથવા 4 બાઇટ્સ. મોસ્ટ આર્મ્સ ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ 2 instruction set. એટલે ARM માં વધારે પડતી 2 જ instruction set વપરાય. એ છે 32 bit ARM instruction set અને 16 bit thumb instruction set. Here is processor modes of ARM. The ARM has 7 basic operating modes. First is user. User is an unprivileged mode under which most tasks run. FIQ mode, which is entered when a high priority or fast interrupt is raised. IRQ is when IRQ is occur when entered when a low priority or normal interrupt is raised. Supervisor is entered on reset and when a software interrupt instruction is executed. Abort is used when used to handle memory access violations. Undefined is used to handle undefined instructions, and system is privileged mode using the same register as user mode. Here is a summary of register organization. First is user માં R0 થી R15 સુધીના રજિસ્ટર આપેલા છે. પછી FIQ, IRQ, SVC, undefined અને abort. એમાં આ ડોટેડ લાઈન છે જે લાલ કલરની એની ઉપરનું છે એ બધું થમ્બ સ્ટેટ લો રજિસ્ટર્સ માં આવે અને નીચેના બધા જે રજિસ્ટર છે એ બધા થમ્બ સ્ટેટ હાઈ રજિસ્ટર્સ માં આવે. FIQ માં યુઝર મોડ તરીકે R0 થી R7 અને R50 અને CPSR વપરાય. જ્યારે IRQ માં યુઝર મોડ તરીકે R0 થી R12, R15 અને CPSR વપરાય. એવી જ રીતે SVC માં યુઝર મોડ તરીકે R0 થી R12, R15 અને CPSR. એવી જ રીતે અનડિફાઇન્ડ માં અને એબોર્ટ માં પણ. સિસ્ટમ મોડ યુઝર્સ ધ યુઝર મોડ રજિસ્ટર સેટ, એટલે કે યુઝર મોડ રજિસ્ટર સેટ માં જેવી રીતે રજિસ્ટર વપરાય એવી જ રીતે સિસ્ટમ મોડ માં વપરાય. Some information about registers. ARM has 37 registers, all of which are 32 bits long, which one dedicated program counter, one dedicated current program status register, 5 dedicated saved program status register, 30 general purpose register. And the current processor mode governs which of several banks is accessible. Each mode can access a particular set of R0 to R12 registers, a particular R30 which is stack pointer, and R14 which is link register. The program counter is R15 which is PC. The current program status register is CPSR. Privileged mode or except system can also access a particular SPSR, which means saved program status register. Here is figure of program status registers. Here is register from R0 to R31, which is 0 to 31. Condition code flag, which is N, Z, C, and V. N means negative result from ALU. Z is operating when zero result from ALU. C is operating when ALU operation carried out. And V flag is operating when ALU operation overflow. Next is sticky overflow flag, Q flag. Q flag is architecture 5TEJ only, and it indicates if saturation has occurred. એટલે કે જ્યારે સેચ્યુરેશન થાય ત્યારે જ ક્યુ ફ્લેગ ઓવરફ્લો ક્યુ ફ્લેગ દેખાય, ક્યુ ફ્લેગ એક્ટિવ થાય. જે બીટ એટલે કે જે બીટ આર્કિટેક્ચર 5TEJ only. 5TEJ means જેઝેલ સ્ટેટ. જેઝેલ સ્ટેટ નો મીન્સ થાય જેઝેલ is an extension that allows some ARM processors to execute Java bytecode in hardware as a third execution state alongside the existing ARM and thumb mode. એટલે કે ત્રીજી વખત એક્ઝિક્યુશન કર્યું હોય ત્યારે જઝેલ સ્ટેટમાં થાય. જ્યારે J is equal to 1 આવે ત્યારે પ્રોસેસર is in જઝેલ state. Interrupt disable bits I અને F. I is equal to 1 જ્યારે સેટ થાય ત્યારે disable the IRQ, એટલે interrupt request હોય એ disable થઈ જાય, અને જ્યારે F is equal to 1 સેટ થાય ત્યારે disable the FIQ, એટલે કે fast interrupt request હોય એ disable થઈ જાય. T bit architecture XT only. T is equal to 0 હોય ત્યારે પ્રોસેસર in ARM state હોય, અને જ્યારે T is equal to 1 થાય ત્યારે પ્રોસેસર in thumb state માં હોય. અને છેલ્લું મોડ બિટ્સ સ્પેસિફાય ધ પ્રોસેસર મોડ. Here is program counter R15. When the processor is executing in ARM state, all instruction is 32 bits wide. All instruction must be word aligned. and therefore the program counter value is stored in bits 31 gem 2 with bits 1 gem 0 undefined. As instruction cannot be half-word or byte aligned. Then, when the processor is executing in thumb state, all instructions are 16 bits wide. All instructions must be half-word aligned, and therefore the program counter value is stored in bits 31 gem 1 with its width bit 0 undefined as instruction cannot be byte aligned. When the processor is executing in Zazel state, all instructions are 8-bit wide and processor performs a word access to read 4 instructions at once. Next topic is system design. Here is an example of ARM-based system. It has input and output, and system has its peripherals. Peripherals 32 bits RAM, interrupt controller, number of interrupt requests, number of fast interrupt requests, and ARM core. And externally 16 bit RAM and 8 bit RAM. Here is AMBA means Advanced Microcontroller Bus Architecture. Here is figure shows the Advanced Microcontroller Bus Architecture, which in that ACT means AMBA Compliance Test Bench. Prime cell means ARM's AMBA Compliant Peripherals. ADK means complete AMBA design kit. Next topic is development tools. Development tools is the RealView product families. Complement tools, which is ARM developer suites, ADS, compilers, C or C++, ARM and Thumb, and utilities. Next is Debug tools, AXD, which is part of ADS, trace debug tools, multi-ICE, multi-trace, RealView debugger, RealView ICE, RealView trace. Next is platforms. Platform is ARM emulator, which is part of ADS, and integrator trademark family. RealView ARM emulator ISS, RVISS. Here is ARM Debug Architecture, which is embedded ICE logic, which is provide breakpoints, processor for system access, and JTAG interface for ICE, which means converts debugger commands to JTAG signals. Embedded trace macro cell or ETM means which is compresses real-time instruction and data access trace, and contains ICE feature, which is trigger and filter loop. Next is trace port analyzer TPA, which is captures trace in a deep buffer.
સોલ્વ કરતા ને અનએકેડમી વાળા આખી કી સોલ્વ કરાવે એટલે આખી બધી સોલ્વ કરીએ
એમાં 538 એટલે આપણે કન્ફર્મ તો છે જ 538.
Okay, is there any questions from online audience? I think he has done a very good revision of ARM architecture, which will be useful to all of you for your midterm exam. If there are no questions, I think time is already over. So whatever the remaining presentations are there, I think we'll meet again tomorrow at 3:45. Actually, I have postponed this lecture from 11 to 12 because I have some other engagements during the morning. Online trainings are going on, and because of that I have shifted it. So tomorrow we will meet at 3:45, and day after tomorrow, that means Thursday, we will not have any lecture at 11 a.m. Right? So that lecture is cancelled. So during that lectures you can prepare for your exams, right? So tomorrow there will be a few more presentations will be there from the students, right, at 3:45. If there are no questions, no doubts, let us stop here. Thank you very much to all for joining the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Shaib.
Okay.